Hello everyone, today I will review the BlitzWolf wired earphones. In this video I will talk about the advantage of this earphones. 1. Super 6mm dual dynamic drivers, use frequency division technology to pump out bright treble and deep bass respectively. It has ultra-high voice resolution, which can better present the sweet or hoarse voice and other details. 2. Full-bodied audio immersion, wider resolution and enhance the medium and high-frequency output range. Turn the wired earphones with mic drivers to not only sound great but also deliver long-term audio output. 3. Noise isolation and ergonomic comfort design. In-ear wearing with great flexibility and smooth silicone can isolate noise better. Perfect fit with 3 sizes of earbuds that won't fall off. 4. 1.2 meters high-performance TPE wire with built-in microphone, ruggedized, flexible and tangle-resistant cable. A multifunction button for call control and music play. Button controls microphone and provide a clear sound. 3.5mm gold-plated audio jack compatible with all 3.5mm interface device. 5. Lifetime quality care. BlitzWolf awards 30 days money-free back, 18-month seller warranty and lifetime dedicating support to assure your long-term enjoyment. Enjoy watching, bye.